Hurricane Milton has marked its path with devastating intensity since it formed in the Atlantic. It initially reached Category 5 strength on October 7, 2024, with winds of up to 285 km per hour, placing it among the most powerful hurricanes on record in the Gulf of Mexico. Its intensification was explosive, driven by warm ocean temperatures and low shear conditions, although its strength fluctuated due to eyewall replacement cycles. On October 9, Milton made landfall on Siesta Key, Florida, as a Category 3 hurricane, with winds of 195 km per hour. Although it weakened as it moved through the state, causing severe flooding and significant damage, its impact was considerable. Authorities reported loss of life and miles of displaced people amid the storm. Florida, already previously affected by Hurricane Helene, saw in Milton another extreme challenge, with storm surges and torrential rains. As the hurricane moved into the Atlantic, it continued to weaken, but evacuation warnings and preventative measures prevented an even greater disaster. This trajectory reflects both the intensity and destructive nature of hurricanes in this region, highlighting the importance of preparation and rapid response to these storms. Preparation for Hurricane Milton in Florida included mass evacuations, primarily in vulnerable coastal areas. Shelters were set up and emergency teams deployed to mitigate damage. The state activated the National Guard and local authorities securing critical infrastructure, such as hospitals and power stations. The response was rapid after the hurricane hit on October 9, 2024. Priority was given to restoring essential services, rescues in flooded areas, and medical care for the injured. Initial assessments indicated significant damage to homes and roads. Hurricane Milton has transitioned from a tropical cycle to an extratropical phenomenon after crossing Florida from west to east on October 9, 2024. Although it weakened after moving out into the Atlantic, Milton continues to affect the east coast of the United States with storm surge, heavy rains, and strong winds, which still pose a danger in some areas, especially in the south. Milton is currently located about 320 kilometers east-northeast of Cape Canaveral, with sustained winds of 120 kilometers per hour. Although the hurricane has decreased in intensity, it is expected to continue moving eastward, moving further and further away from the U.S. coast. Storm surge and tropical storm warnings remain active in areas of Florida, Georgia, and South Carolina. Envier comentarios. Panels laterals. Historial. Guardadas.